Okay, so this equation has different denominators, and we're gonna have to solve for the common denominator and then rewrite the problem. So first we're gonna set up each side of the equation and we're gonna multiply by the special version of 1, which is the denominator of each equation, like the opposite side. So for 3n over n minus 1, you have to multiply it by n plus 3 for both the numerator and denominator. So on the other side, it's 2 over n plus 3. So you have to multiply the top and the bottom by the denominator of the first one, which is n minus 1. So this will help us get the common denominator. So the common denominator is now n minus 1 in parentheses and then n plus 3. So this is going to allow us to solve for the denominator. So now we have to factor the denominators. So it's going to be 3n squared plus 9n for the left side. Then it's going to be 2n minus 2 for the denominator on the right side of the equation. So after you do that, you now can add like terms, and then that's going to solve for the denominator for the equation. So the equation is going to end up being 3n squared plus 11n minus 2, and then with the denominator of n minus 1 and n plus 3, and that's addition.
Okay, new problem. This time we have a subtraction problem. These problems are a little bit different because there's one extra step. The extra step is you're going to have to do a little keep, change. So you'll keep the 5x, change the minus sign to a plus sign, and change the positive 2 to a negative 2.
Alright, now we got to rewrite the problem so that we can multiply by the big 1 to find the common denominator. So write out both problems, then draw your two boxes right beside them. Now you're going to take the x plus 5, and you're going to move it down to next to the x plus 2. Next, you do the same thing with the x plus 2 after you finish writing the top. Alright, so x plus 2 on the bottom and on the top. And now we can find our common denominator.
At the end, the final answer comes through combining like terms in the numerators. So you already have your common denominator, which is x plus 5 and x plus 2. Then you'll combine 5x, or you'll times x plus 2 to the 5x, and then the x plus 5 to the negative 2x, and then combine like terms.
Alright, now that we're writing out the final answer, we're coming up to the you try. Now we're on the you try section. So it's a subtraction problem, so you gotta remember to keep, change. Now pause the video before it gives away the answer.
Now we're in the you try section.
I think you do it, but I gotta get out of the way. Okay, you try the problem. Now pause it. Pause it now. Pause it, because we're gonna show the answer. Oh, I hope you paused it. Okay, did you get the right answer? Because if so, I'm gonna do some 360s. Woo! I hope so. If not, you need to figure out how we did it.